Welcome back to my channel. It's been almost 2 months since I last filmed. So today we're going to do something special. Since tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day, today we're going to make a leprechaun trap. A leprechaun is a small little dwarf-like person who leaves pots of gold at the end of a rainbow. So today we're going to make a leprechaun trap. Let's get started. The things we'll be needing for a leprechaun trap will be a container for our trap, some pom-poms so when a little leprechaun falls, he doesn't get hurt. This circle, which is slightly bigger than this, with a trapdoor in it. So when our leprechaun stands in it, he falls through. So, falls through. Some wooden sticks to make our ladder. This is my ladder. A glue stick. A silhouette for a rainbow, which at the end is slightly folded. So when you glue it down, it stands. Same thing for the pot of gold. We'll be needing decorating tools and a paper to wrap around here. Hot glue and tape. Let's get started. For the first step, we take our container and our trapdoor and you put it around here and let's tape it. You know what? I'm gonna speed it up. All right, that's better. Now, we're gonna put the filling on the, soft stuff on the bottom. Let's put this here. Yeah, I'm gonna speed this up again. Okay, now we're gonna wrap this around. Now that it's taped, I've colored my pot of gold and my rainbow. We have to attach these now. So, get your glue and glue the extra tail. I'm gonna place this right here. Okay. Now, I'm gonna get my pretty rainbow and I'm gonna glue it. Fold, fold, and gluey. All right. Since they put the pot of gold on the end of a rainbow, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll show you in just a second. Ta-da! So my pot of gold is at the end of the rainbow. All right, next step. The next step is to attach our ladder. I'm gonna put my ladder right here. You don't have to glue it if you don't want to, and I'm not going to. Now that our leprechaun trap is finished, let's see if we catch a leprechaun. Bye! For me, tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. I'm wearing my St. Patrick's Day t-shirt. I hope you liked your little leprechaun trap, and I wish you all a happy St. Patrick's Day. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, and like this video. And if you did all that, I hope to see you all next time. Goodbye!